Video clips documenting rainy and severe winds in Makkah al-Mukarramah have spread on social media in the videos. It appears that citizens and pilgrims were in a state of panic as a result of the severe rainstorm. Video clips also documented part of the damage caused by the storm and strong winds, which led to the fall of billboards and damage to cars and public property as a result of the torrential rains. And video clips taken by a number of residents showed pilgrims outside the Grand Mosque trying to hold on amid the strong winds that toppled the colored plastic barriers that flew over the marble floor filled with rainwater. Watch the video.